Haley, and today I am going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Well, technically not to solve. It's more of a cheat version. I'm going to show you how to trick your friends into thinking that you can solve a Rubik's Cube. Just follow these steps and try to keep them in muscle memory. So this is the Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to solve it. First, go to the orange side. The side 3, push them all the way to the red side. Oops, a little accident there. So, do the same for the other side. Turn it. You can use either side that I just shown you. Now, flip it and move the top ones to the side. Do the same to the other side. Now flip again. This time you'll see green and blue. Do the same, rinse and repeat. So basically you see here, it's basically just a pattern. So it's easy to memorize. So this is how to solve it. Be sure to pause when you're unsure or need help. There, that's how you solve a trick Rubik's Cube. Have you found any of these emojis hidden around? If you have, comment down below.